Hi guys, today I'm going to do a YouTube video. So today guys I'm going to be doing a YouTube video about paper planes. I know I've done tons of videos like this before, but this is going to be a big one. You know? It's going to be big, yo! So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be throwing paper planes from this pile, and you're going to see them land and take off and blah blah blah. Now let's get into it. Okay, here goes some throws. Wow. Okay, this is plane number 2, guys. Here goes. Hi guys, I'm doing a YouTube video. So here's plane number 3. It's pretty good shot. Now we're gonna throw it. Oh gosh, I didn't win them. Yeah, I got one of these ones. Oh, okay. Okay, this is plane number 4. Whoa! You saw that right. That was amazing. I mean, this plane can beat that. That one kind of stalled. I'm going to give you a better view. Now, okay, here's a better view of the garden. Here goes number 6. Whoa, 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 whoa. You saw that, guys. You saw that land. That was amazing. Okay, let's go to the bird plane, I suppose. Things that I do for you. Okay, here it goes. That was amazing. You saw that on camera, right? Here goes. I actually lost count now. Okay, here goes number whatever, blah blah blah. You didn't get that one, okay? Here's one of my older designs I did when I was like very little. Here it goes. That was so good. Let's test out this one. This one? What the? Okay, this one is a scrunched up, weird looking one. I think I can still find. Hello. This is one of my first ever planes. Hopefully, this doesn't go over the fence or anything. Nope. This one's the best paper planes I've ever made. Here it goes. Whoa! It's slow! Okay. Okay. This is super plane. Here it goes. Super plane. Super plane. Woo-wee. I'm doing some of them back towards you. Whoa.
I know I'm changing. I know I'm changing into something big, better than before. takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. From the bottom to the top, we're sparking wild fast, never quit and never stop. The rest of our lives.
So guys, this is my friend over here. Say hello.
Hello.
You should check out his YouTube channel. No, this is Bob. And it's Bob's YouTube channel. Called Andrew Tricks. You better check out his YouTube channel. His name's called Andrew Tricks. He does a lot of videos on camping, sweets from all around the world, and funny things. Whoa, 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 whoa! I'll be with you just in a minute. Okay? Woo! Woo!
Because we don't want a mess in our garden.
Oh no, I picked them all up, don't worry. One had it right next to the tablet. I want one to put the tablet. Ugh. Oh, the wrong tablet.
Edit some bits out.
I don't know how you can do that, but I'm gonna I'm playing a weird plane. Okay? Whee! Oh yeah, the disc plane! Oh, I remember this. Dee, 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 dee.
When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the
Oh god. Guys, this is a lot of paper planes, I'm telling you.
beautiful. And we'll dream impossible.
Wow, that one's such a good one.
And we'll dream impossible. I will chase, I will
We need to catch some of them on camera.
Have you seen this guy? Took it too serious and actually made a paper plane, took it too serious, and with little bits of paper actually made one of those planes.
I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's fighting for.
This is a lot of paper planes.
You fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible.
Hang on. Yeah, so whatever. Okay, guys, we're gonna be doing, me and Christian, or me and my friend, are gonna be doing a super flow with all the planes. Raging from Big Big You can keep it. Okay, here's a lot of planes. And then after this, I'm gonna throw all of these planes. Oh. Guys, in a minute, we're going to be throwing all of these planes.
No, it looks like you tried to make it folded.
Anyway, here goes to the big one. Okay, so ready for this? to do it so that I can see it.
Okay, and then go.
Yeah. Okay, here goes. And again. Dun, dun, dun. Ugh. Yeah, you definitely saw that. Of course, that's gonna be beautiful.
Okay.
So if you like my video, please subscribe. Check out his.
It's called Andrea Trips.
Yep, check out his YouTube channel. He does a lot of fun videos.
Okay, bye.
Din din din. Other videos.
When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go.